Big goals can feel overwhelming, but lasting habits start with small steps. Imagine trying to climb a mountain in one giant leap. Impossible, right? Instead, you take it one step at a time, gradually making progress. The same principle applies to building habits. When we set out to achieve something significant, it's easy to get lost in the enormity of the task. But by breaking it down into manageable pieces, we can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Today, let's talk about why starting small is the best way to build habits that stick. We'll explore how tiny, consistent actions can lead to significant changes over time. Whether it's exercising, learning a new skill, or improving productivity, the key is to begin with something so simple that it's almost impossible to fail. By doing this, we create a foundation for success that can grow and evolve. So, let's dive in and discover the power of small steps. Why start small? It's a question many of us ask when we set out to achieve something new or challenging. The answer lies in the power of small actions. Small actions are easy to do, and because they require less effort and time, they are less intimidating. This makes them easier to incorporate into our daily routines. Repeating these small actions consistently can lead to the development of habits. Habits once formed become second nature and require even less conscious effort to maintain. Instead of committing to running 5 miles, which can feel overwhelming and discouraging, especially if you're just starting out, start by jogging for just 2 minutes. This small, manageable step can help you build confidence and momentum. Over time, these small steps can add up to significant progress. Consistency beats perfection. The goal is to build momentum, not perfection. Doing something small every day creates a stronger habit than doing something big once a week. Remember, small actions lead to big results over time. It's the little things we do every day that compound and create significant changes in our lives. Whether it's writing down your goals in a journal or checking off tasks on your to-do list, these small steps are crucial. They help us stay focused and motivated, ensuring that we are always moving forward. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your habits grow. Just like a plant needs daily care to flourish, our habits require regular attention and effort. Jogging every day, even if it's just for a few minutes, can lead to improved health and well-being over time. Consistency is key, and with each passing day, you'll notice the positive changes taking root. For more habit tips, check out my long-form video on YouTube. There, I dive deeper into strategies and techniques to help you build and maintain effective habits. From morning routines to productivity hacks, you'll find a wealth of information designed to support your journey. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all my latest content. Happy habit building!